Hi, my name is Scott Drikakis, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Commercial at Quasar Medical. Quasar Medical has been in the manufacturing space for almost 40 years. We offer micro assembly services, we offer extrusion, balloons, EM sensors, and we manufacture over 7 million medical devices and assemblies per year. Our manufacturing facilities span Asia, Europe, and Mexico. We're proud to partner with the world's largest medical device companies, and we know that getting a medical device to market is difficult. So working with your contract manufacturer should make it easier, and that's our goal at Quasar Medical. At our design and development facilities, we offer all of our extrusions in-house, and same with our balloons, whether they're compliant, semi-compliant, or non-compliant. We have all of those capabilities in-house to offer to our customers. Quasar Medical manufactures over 4 million EM sensors and assemblies per year. So whether it's a 5 degrees of freedom or 6 degrees of freedom EM sensor, whether it's an air coil or a standard core material, we offer them all in-house, on time, and on budget. As it relates to EM sensors, a number of our customers have found significant cost savings transitioning from their current incumbent suppliers like MDDI and transitioning to Quasar Medical. Quasar Medical has commercial directors based in Asia, in Europe, and in North America. So please visit Quasar Medical for additional information, and we'd be proud and honored to work with you.